Hey guys, Nicholas from Helmetkarts here. Today we've got an assembly tutorial on the ZXK5 FORZA. Now we'll be doing a step-by-step guide on sort of how to assemble your brand new buggy, as well as answer a few questions that we've gotten from you guys. We'll give you a rundown on the tools you need, and yeah, feel free to pause during the video. Let's get straight into it. All right guys, that brings us to the end of today's assembly tutorial. Now, Lawrence will take over from here. He's going to do a separate video on the sort of startup and the tune. So make sure you keep posted for that video. And yeah, your brand new buggy is pretty much ready to go. Double check all your nuts and bolts, make sure everything's nice and tight. And yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. Like, subscribe, keep watching us. Thank you.